like it.
Yeah, you like it?
I think it's freaking cool.
I can see this in your kitchen.
Yeah, it goes with the refrigerator.
Yeah,
What do you want?
Are they the same loudness?
They're pretty close, I think.
Oh, yes, dude.
That's crazy.
Now it sounds like how it should.
Now the sound matches the look. This is valves open right now.
Shut up, dude. Yes. So it's still tame.
And then that's valves closed. So these two should sound the same. I mean, they were the same exhaust systems, same motors, same everything, but still like a little bit of a different tune. So this one might sound a little bit different. Oh my God.
Dude, they're gonna hear that thing back home.
That's valves open, and then this valve's closed.
Honestly, that's pretty nice though. Like both of these, you can take your girlfriend out to dinner and you're not screaming at each other because you can't hear over the cars.